Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a quick and delicious upma for a perfect breakfast. Here are the ingredients you will need: 1 cup of semolina and 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of mustard seed and a handful of curry leaves, assorted chopped vegetable like carrot, it's optional, and a pinch of turmeric powder, salt to taste, and freshly chopped coriander leaves for garnishing. So guys, heat the pan, and once it hot, add 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. As soon as the mustard seed started crackling, and add a handful of curry leaves and chopped vegetable. It's optional guys. And saute the vegetable until they become slightly tender. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes. And next, add 2 cup of water and slowly pour in 1 cup of semolina, while stirring consistently, and keep stirring until the mixture started to kitchen. This should take around 3 to 4 minutes. Now sprinkle a pinch of turmeric powder and salt to enhance the flavor. Give it one finally stir, and your upma is ready. Garnishing it with the freshly chopped coriander leaves. The aroma and taste of this upma are simple, irresistible, and it's perfect breakfast option for busy mornings. So go ahead and give this quick and delicious upma recipe a try. I am sure to it I will become one of your favorites. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes guys. And till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.